So Owen came along to the pond. It was in moonlight. It was the moon that reflected off the penny in the pond. That's why Riley saw the penny. The penny was round, like the moon. Beautiful round penny. Round like the pond. Round like the penny in the pond. The Christmas moon. Tonight is Ebony's birthday. It's Saturday, the 22nd of December, 2018. At 11:58 tonight, there's going to be a sign. A special sign for the Mirror Boy. The Mirror Boy of Nathan and Jacob. The full moon is at 4:48 AM. Tomorrow morning, Sunday, the 23rd of December, 2018. Australian Eastern Daylight Time. (23) The age Nathan would have turned on Saturday, the 24th of November. But Nathan's not here. Nathan had to go away. Now, so Nathan went away. He went to the land of volcanoes to find out the answer to the riddle. The riddle about the tuba thorn. The tuba thorn and the thorny bush. And he talked to Samuel. And Samuel gave him the clues, so he could work out the answer to the riddle of Riley. It was Riley who came along and saw the penny reflected in the moonlight in the pond. His face lit up when he fished it out and saw that it wasn't any ordinary penny. He didn't see so much as feel the power of the coin in his hand. And as Riley felt the power of the coin, Owen felt the power leave his pond. And he was instantly jealous. Who was this boy to come along and steal his penny? Who was this Riley? Who did he think he was to take his penny? Owen had been coming to the pond every night, every time there was a full moon, every single time. He'd never seen the penny, but he knew the penny was the source of the power as soon as Riley fished it out. And the smile, the big grin on Riley's face, it infuriated Owen. "Oh, look, it's a lucky penny," Riley exclaimed. "I'm going to be so rich. I'm going to be famous." "How do you know it's a lucky penny, Riley?" said Owen. "How do you know it's not an unlucky penny?" And the smile vanished from Riley's face as he realized He had no way of knowing if it was a lucky penny or an unlucky penny. How could he know? Of course, he never would have thought. He never would have wondered. The thought never would have entered his mind had Owen not put the idea there. The idea that it might be an unlucky penny never would have entered into Riley's head had Owen not said it. Owen wanted the penny. That's why he said it. The pond, the moon, the round moon, the round penny. The pond where they found the penny was a round pond. It was a large round pond. It was over here. This is where Owen was sitting when Riley came along, in the moonlight, under the Christmas moon in 2018. A big round pond. A big round silver penny, reflected in the silver moonlight. Silver, the name of a horse. Penny, the name of a horse that used to live here, right here on this farm. Penny, the name of a girl. The name of a girl who died in the same disaster as Nathan. No, not the earthquake, not the tsunami. The Black Saturday bushfires. Penny Chambers from Kinglake and Nathan Breeze from Kinglake West. So Nathan went to the land of volcanoes, the land of earthquakes. He went to Java, Indonesia, and he met with Samuel. And Samuel gave him the clues to Galangang and Papandayan and its twin peak, Puntang. He said another word for Galangang is beauty kana or beauty kana. It means thorny tuber. So the pond is round, the penny is round, the moon is round. What else is round? Nathan? Tropical cyclone. It's a tropical cyclone. Yes, said Samuel. It's a tropical cyclone. Whose face is on the penny, Riley? Asked Owen. So Riley flipped the coin around and saw himself for the first time. His own face was on the back of the penny. His own face. It was him. And for the first time, Riley realized he was real. He was a real boy. He'd always thought he was just a ghost. Ghost equals 69. He was wearing a pirate's hat. Pirate equals 69. Red rain equals 69. Owen was reading Red Rain by R.L. Stein. Identical twins, Daniel and Samuel. Aged 12. But Samuel, Nathan's guide, was 9. Beauty Cana means tuber thorn. So what is the meaning of the thorny bush? What is the meaning of the thorny thicket? It's Perth, said Nathan. The answer is Perth. Whose face was on the coin? Riley's face. Riley saw his own face, reflected on the coin. The coin that he found in Owen's mirror. Owen's pond was his mirror. Riley found the penny in the pond. The penny of Owen. It's the name of a tropical cyclone. The next cyclone is Penny. Penny is a horse. Penny is a girl. Penny is a cyclone. Who is Riley? Is Riley a boy or a girl? It depends which side of the coin you look at. Riley is a pirate boy, a bad boy, a vandal. He wants to go somewhere where there's stuff to break. But Riley is also a girl. It depends which side of the coin you look at. The Dahlia is a tuba. The first cyclone to venture in Australian waters last year was Dahlia. Tropical cyclone Dahlia. The Dahlia is a tuba. Lily. The lily is a bulb. The lily is a bulb like the daffodil. Why did we come to Galangang, Nathan? The ground is yellow, said Nathan. That's the sulphur, said Samuel. The sulphur is yellow. Like a daffodil, said Nathan. Yes. That's Jake's daffodil. It's yellow. It's a bulb, said Nathan. Yes, it's a bulb. So is the lily. Riley's bulb is the lily. Lily is Riley's girl. Riley's going to form from the remnants of Lily. Lily will grow, she will bloom, she'll be a beautiful flower. Then she will die. She'll die. Everything dies. Lily will die. She'll disperse. Then, from her remnants, Riley will form. Lily, an Indonesian cyclone, a cyclone named by Indonesia. Her remnants will become Cyclone Riley, the Aussie bad boy, the Aussie pirate. Riley, the Western boy, the Western cowboy, the boy of the thorny bush. Perth. Perth is the thorny bush. Beauty Cana, the tuba thorn of Galangang in West Java, Indonesia. Galangang. Beauty Cana. Riley was amazed to see his own face, to see how similar he looked to Owen, who was about the same size. But he was stronger, more powerful. Why? Because he had the coin. The coin became a ring, and he put it on his finger. He wore it, so Owen could not take it from him. But the thought never left his mind. What if it's an unlucky penny, Riley? What then? I'll deal with it, said Riley. I'll deal with it. So Nathan went back to Jake and said the answer to the riddle is Perth. Perth is the thorny bush. Perth is the thicket. And that's where you'll find Riley, hiding with his ring. The ring that was his penny. The penny that he found under the light of this very full moon. At 11:58, there's going to be a sign. 11:58 tonight. Not much more than an hour from now. 11:58 p.m. A sign. The sign of the moon. Moon equals 57. Owen equals 57. 12, the age of the twins, in red rain. 57 plus 12 equals 69. Red rain equals 69. Reflect equals 69. Riley equals 69. Pirate, ghost, equals 69. Darwin equals 69. And at first, Jake thought it might have been Darwin. But the riddle was not so easy. There was more. There's always more. Reflect equals 69. The date of birth of the mirror boy. The mirror boy of Nathan. The mirror boy of Jake. Who wears the ring of tonight's full moon. Riley. Riley. Riley, the Western cowboy, was an Indonesian girl named Lily. Lily became Riley. Lily, the Indonesian girl, became Riley, the Aussie pirate, cowboy, bad boy, vandal. Riley.